In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Image Box widget in Elementor step by step so you can create clean, professional looking content blocks with an image, a title, and supporting text all in one place. This is a super useful widget for adding feature boxes, service highlights, team sections, callouts, and more to your WordPress pages. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Elementor and the WordPress tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the page you want to edit in Elementor. Once the Elementor editor loads, look at the widgets panel on the left side of the screen. In the search bar, type Image Box. This will quickly filter the available widgets so you can find it without scrolling through everything. Now simply drag and drop the Image Box widget into your desired container or section on the page. As soon as you place it, Elementor will insert a default image box layout that you can customize right away. Next, go over to the Content tab. This is where you'll set up the main content of the widget. Start by clicking the image placeholder. You can upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your WordPress media library. Pick an image that matches the content of your section, whether that's a product photo, icon style graphic, team image, or service preview. After that, move to the title field and type in your main heading. This is the bold text that will catch the visitor's attention first, so keep it short, clear, and relevant. Then, use the description box to add your supporting text. This is where you can explain the image, give a short summary, or add a brief call to action. If you want the entire image box to act like a clickable element, you can also add a link in the link field. This is optional, but it's a great way to send people to another page, a service detail section, or even an external URL when they click the box. Now let's adjust the layout. Still in the Content tab, look for the image position setting. Here, you can place the image at the top, left, or right of the text, depending on the look you want. If you want a classic stacked layout, place it at the top. If you want a more modern side-by-side style, try left or right. This setting can make a big difference in how your design feels on desktop and mobile. Once the structure is set, go to the Style tab to fine-tune the design. Click on Image to control things like width, spacing, and hover animation effects. If your image feels too large or too small, this is where you can quickly fix it. You can also adjust the space around the image so it fits naturally with the text. Then click on Content in the Style tab. Here, you can change the alignment of the text, adjust the vertical position, and customize the colors for both the title and the description. This is especially useful if you want the box to match your brand colors or blend in with the rest of your website design. If you want to add a more advanced visual effect, you can also use gradient text in the title color settings. Just look for the gradient toggle inside the title color controls. This can help your headings stand out and give your design a more polished look. Take a moment to preview everything and make sure the image, title, and the description all look balanced. A well-designed image box should be easy to read, visually appealing, and simple for visitors to understand at a glance. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save your changes. That's it. You've now added and customized the Image Box widget in Elementor. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Elementor tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.